Hey guys, it is Romani and I am back with another video. This time I'm not going to be doing a hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing a product review, but I'm going to show you, step by step how I do everything so you can see the results. Some of you may know I am a brand ambassador, like campus girlfriend, representing Fisk University for Impressions of Beauty. And Impressions of Beauty is just a company that encourages natural hair, and they host natural hair events on college campuses. Yeah, pretty much. And so they give us these really great opportunities, and they partner us with different companies. So for the next couple of months, I'm partnering with African Pride. And so African Pride sent me their entire Moisture Miracle line. I have a few tutorials on my channel, and I'll link them below. I did a braid out, a twist out, and then I did a tutorial with deep wave, like curly weave. So I'll link those below. All of the products and tutorials have went really good. I really do like the products, and I'm not just saying that because they sent them to me, but the products really do make my hair feel soft. I don't have any problems or complaints about it. Yeah, so today is wash day. Yeah, let's jump to the video. Today is wash day, and I'm gonna be using the entire Moisture Miracle line, but the only thing that I have not used from this line is this thing. The heat activated mask. And it has Moroccan clay and shea butter in it, and it is supposed to detox and soften. So this is the only thing that I haven't used because I was at school when I got all of these products, and so by reading heat activated mask, I assumed that you had to have a hooded dryer, and I didn't have a hooded dryer, but I do have a hooded dryer at home. But now that I'm reading it, you don't even need to have a hooded dryer. You can actually put this product in your hair and use it as a deep conditioner. So you can put it in your hair and put a shower cap on and put a warm towel over your head, and it'll still be the same. So I actually could have been using this product the entire time. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just going to wash my hair and do everything. You can see all of that in the other videos. I'm not going to put that in this video, but yeah, I'm just going to wash my hair, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I do the mask. So I'm back. I just washed my hair with the African Pride Moisture Miracle shampoo and conditioner, and we are about to try this heat activated mask. So it's actually pretty thick. It doesn't seem like it will come out, which is really good. Yeah, it just has shea butter, Moroccan red clay. That is it. So the directions say section clean wet hair, apply generously from root to ends, cover with the plastic cap, and sit under a warm towel for 30 minutes. So this is my hair without any product. I used to have 4C hair, but as I get older, my hair is 4B, 4C type stuff going on. I don't really know, but this is my hair with no product in it. So as you can see, I'm just taking a generous amount of the heat activated mask, and then I'm just applying it to my hair. You really want to apply it generously to make sure that you get the best benefits. And this is how my hair looks after I apply it. So now I'm just 2-strand twisting my hair to make sure that it doesn't get tangled. Now I'm just repeating this process all over my head. I'm gonna apply some extra heat mask to my roots just because I see that it got on my ends a lot but not on my roots, and I want everything to have the same benefits. Now I'm just gonna put the shower cap over my twist. I'll be using 2 shower caps instead of 1 just to make sure that, you know, it's really sealing in the moisture and my hair is really getting dry because I'm not using a hooded dryer. And then I'm just gonna put my towel on. So this is how everything looks, and in 30 minutes I'm going to be washing this out. So as you can see, I just washed the mask out of my hair, and we're going to see the effects that it had on my hair. So this is how my hair looks now after I've washed it out. It actually does feel soft. Yeah, it feels soft. My ends feel good. My ends haven't been feeling good because like it's super cold outside because it's about to be winter and it's like snowing and all that stuff. So I'm actually very pleased with the results. I'm not gonna take my entire head down because I'm about to do a braid out and I need it sectioned because my hair will get tangled. But yeah, I am very pleased with this. My hair looks really soft. It feels very moisturized. So yeah, I'm going to be using this weekly after I wash my hair. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Ooh. Gotta get myself together. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at xl_ramani. Follow African Pride on Instagram at my African Pride. And my shirt is wet, but follow Impressions of Beauty. Bye guys.